It's Becky from Miss B Group Travel. Today I just wanted to talk to you about the travel packing bags. They're all the rave at the moment because they're such a space saver and they're such a time saver as well. So if you're a busy mom like I am, as you can see, I'm just shooting this quickly in my kitchen. So they come flat packed. I've already taken one out of the packet and there's 7 of these, okay? Very flexible, foldable. You can stuff it, okay? And in here you have 7 pieces. So this is a 7-piece set, okay? And first 3 things you have are your toiletry bags. You can put your lotions, your shaving creams, your children's intimates if you're traveling with children, or just your own, whatever you want to put in there, yeah? Because they're waterproof as well and nylon. Or you can put one bag inside the other. If you're not sure when you've bought some stuff, then you've got more space. Okay, and then we've got the shoe bag. So in here I'll put your shoes or your slippers or your trainers, whatever you feel, but this is the shoe bags part of the set. And then we've got the 3 mesh bags. So you've got the small, the medium, and of course the base, which is the large. Just to give you an illustration of the sizes of these items, this is the small, okay? So look at the depth of the small. Again, it comes with zip and mesh cover. I currently have about 5 t-shirts of myself, you know, in my own t-shirts in here. Okay, and then the medium, again, same sort of depth. My husband's t-shirts are in there, and a couple of the shorts that he promises me that's all he's going to be wearing by the poolside. Well, we'll just see. And then lastly, we've got the big one. Okay, so this is the big base. At the moment, I haven't packed the rest of the stuff that I wanted to pack in here. But again, same depth and width. And at the moment, I've got some sandals, so, you know, hotel sandals. Sometimes when I go in, slippers, sometimes when I go in and I'm not sure if the hotel may have some, I'll just bring my own. And then I've got some sandals that we're going to be wearing, so I just put all the family's sandals in here. Very convenient. If you're somebody who has a business and you do markets, again, you might want to put your stuff in there, whether it's earrings, whether it's whatever, just something that you keep handy to walk around. And this is how simple it is to transport them. I pack them into my bag and that's it. So when we go on holiday, you know, the kids' room, this goes. Our room, this stays. You know, that's what. It's very, very easy. Time saver, space saver. We have a couple of colours as well. So we have them in pinks, purple, green and black. So get in touch. You can buy them by the link below, www.missbgrouptravel.com. Just click on the shop link or just inbox us and we will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.